So here we are. Now I'm going to discuss this problem A of code educational code forces round 147, and let's see what problem says that. So basically, problem is saying that we have given a positive integer. Basically, we have given a string which will contain the integers and the question mark, right? And that we want to make we want to find then how many strings how many if I have a given a string, so from how many string I can make a number, like how many number I can make using that string, right? So how many number I can make using this string, and the condition is that it doesn't contain any leading zero, right? Let's say I show you. Delete control A, delete. Yeah. So what question says that? Question says that basically if I will first copy the test cases and I will try to explain them one by one, and then I explain you the code. So basically we have given this string of length 2, right? So we have to calculate how many integers I can make using this string. So basically I have two question mark, right? So how many string of 2 digit I can make? So I can make 1 2, I can make 1 3, I can make 2 3, right? So there are like many possibilities, so I have to calculate how many possibilities is there. But and the condition is I can't take make a 0 3, because question says that it we shouldn't contain the string shouldn't contain any leading zero, right? So for here, how many possibilities I have? From 1 to 9 I have 9 possibilities, right? And for here, how many possibilities I have? From 0 to 9 I have all possibilities, because I can make 90, 91, 92, 93. So basically I have all the possibilities. So I have 10 possibilities of here. So if I just multiply this, so I have 9 into 10, 90 possibilities for this, right? And if I have only one basically one question mark, so basically I have one. So how many possibilities I have? So for this I have 9 possibilities, right? And there is a 0, so basically the question says that we can't contain any leading 0. For it, my answer is going to be 0, right? Because the question says nothing else. So here is a 9, so basically 9 is fixed and I can change it. So basically I have only one possibility for it. I have 0 3. For it I have only 0 possibilities because it contains leading zeros. So yeah. And for this question I have, for this question mark, I have 10 possibilities, because this is not the first character. I can contain 0 to 9. I can make it 0 to 9, and also for this question mark I can make it 0 to 9. So basically I have 10 possibilities for here, 10 possibilities for here. So if I try to make all combination, it will be 100 possibility, 10 to 10, 100, right? I have now for this I have 9 possibilities for this question mark. The reason is that because it is a first character, it can't contain 0, so I have only 9 possibilities. And for this I have 10 possibilities, so answer is 90. And similar for this, this is not a first character, so it for this I have 10 possibilities, and also for this I have 10 possibilities, so my answer for this is going to be 100. I hope this is clear to you. So basically the thing is, if my character, if I have a question mark, if I have a question mark on the first character, right? If I have a question mark on the first character, so basically I have 9 possibilities, 9 possibilities, right? If I have a question mark on any other character except the first character, then I have 10 possibilities, right? So if this is if for here, if I have a 9 possibilities, if I have a 10 possibilities, so with the help of this I can make 90 character. How? How? Because if you see, like from, I can make 1 0, 1 1, 1 2. Similarly, I can make 2 0, 2 1, 2 2, and so on, and for so on, and up until I can make 9 0, 9 1, and up to 99. Right. So this is the problem, and this is the approach. I hope this is pretty clear to you. Now I will show you my code, and this will be more clear to you then. Hmm. Okay, it's taking too much time. You can skip this part, like if you are getting where this is taking so much time. Some issues. There is some issue with my browser. I don't know where. I will try to open this is in incognito. I hope this should work. I don't know why this is not working. So if it is not working, so I can write the code again. Like it is the code is simple. I can write it again for you. So let's say this is, I will just copy it and just paste it. Okay, no, this is not copied. I just copy and this I will just paste it. Let's say I will just try to open it again. After I will, what I will do, so my approach is going to be, so basically I am just taking integer, and now what is the case is that I will, no, so basically I don't have to take the integer, I have to take string as an input. Okay, now what I will do, I will just make run a for loop. So basically I plus plus, so basically I have to like I will just write one base case. So my base case is if my s of I is 0 0. So basically if I have a if I have a leading 0, I will just, what I will do, I will just print 0 and l. Okay, if I have any leading 0, if I have a 0 at 0th position, if I have a 0 0, I will just, and I will just return it, right? And if I just run a for loop, and what I will just do, if my s of I is equals to question mark, and like if I have f of I, and if my I equal to 0, it means that if I have a question mark in my like in the first character, so my answer is going to be answer into 9, else my answer will be answer into 10, right? And I will initialize answer with 1 because I am going to multiply, and I will just print this. So there's an, okay, n will be s dot length. I think it should work. Yeah, yeah, so 199010 100 90 100 199010 100 90 100. So yeah, it's work. I hope this is clear to you now. Just let's see, I think if it gets submitted, yeah, it gets submitted. So yeah, so this was about my today, like this was about the problem statement. If there is any doubt, you can ask me. If you have any other question you want to ask, you can comment and I will try to solve it. Okay, thank you.